When we're writing functions, we can write them as the equation with the symbol using f parentheses x. And that's going to replace our y value. This is read as f of x. The reason why we have this is that we can talk about multiple functions with different names. So we got f of x is equal to 3x minus 2. And then we could have another function, g of x, is equal to 4x. Now we're able to distinguish between the two functions instead of each one of them just being labeled as y. F of negative 3 means negative 3 is your input, and that's going to be substituted in for x. If we have f of x equals negative 3, that means your whole function is equal to negative 3 and is going to be plugged in for the y value or for f of x. So we have two functions. H of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 5. F of x equals 2x minus 3. To find the following, so we're going to find f of negative 2. Make sure we're using the right function. This is f of x here, so f of 2 is equal to 2 times negative 2 minus 3. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. So we would write our final answer as f of negative 2 equals negative 7. Now to find h of negative 3, we have to use our other function. We have to make sure we're paying attention to which function we're using. H of negative 3 is negative 3 squared minus 3 times negative 3 plus 5. Negative 3 squared is 9, plus 9, and then plus 5. So we would have h of negative 3 is equal to 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 5 is 23. So h of negative 3 is 23. H of 2, 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 5. 2 squared is 4 minus 6 plus 5. 4 minus 6 is negative 2, and negative 2 plus 5 gives us h of 2 is equal to 3. And the last one, f of 7, now we're going back to our other function, is 2 times 7 minus 3. 2 times 7 is 14, and 14 minus 3 gives us f of 7 is equal to 13. And now task 2, if f of x equals 2x minus 3 and f of x equals 15, we have to find x. So now we're going to take our whole function, which is 2x minus 3, and now it's going to be equal to 15. And we could just solve this equation for x. So we add 3 to both sides. 2x equals 18. Divide by 2. X is equal to 9. So that means that f of 9 would be equal to 15.